Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 14th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir closed up 24 cents, 1.3%, closed at 1864. Let's look at what we have on the chart. So we have a green candle, nice green candle, longer wick at the top than at the bottom, showing some selling pressure towards the end of the day. And we were wondering if the stock would be bouncing on 1822, because one of the things that can be happening right here is that the stock might be doing a W, which is a common pattern in technical analysis. And the buy signal for that pattern is when we break the top of the middle part of the W, which is the 2010. So if we break 2010, then this is going to be a buy signal. So right now, we started the day below 1822, but then rallied back up. We closed above 1822. So the W pattern might still be happening. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how that played out during the day. So we opened quite low here. So the low of the day was 1792. And then the stock was pushed back up quite far, or relatively far. Nice green candle. This is interesting to see that. Then second hour, we had a retracement of almost 50%. Then a further retracement, finishing up or closing up on 50%. And then the stock came back up with the resistance, I would say, at 1876. And what I like to see here is the stochastic is trending up here. The stochastic is trending up, and the RSI is also trending up. So this is interesting to see this. So stochastic is not yet at 60, but it's getting there. And RSI, it's close to 50 in itself. And MACD crossed over bullish. So on the 1 hour chart, we are starting to see something move back up a little bit. So this is just the first glimpse of something. So is it going to last enough to impact the daily chart? That's another question. But at least we see some movement or some stabilization, at least on Palantir side on the 1 hour chart. Let's go see the daily chart. I'm going to remove a little bit my things here. So on the daily chart, in terms of indicators, so stochastic at 13, RSI also very low, MACD close to crossing over bullish on the daily chart. So that's very interesting also. So we are still going to need a few more candles to see if we are breaking the downward pattern. Let me just be a little bit more precise right here and do something like this. Okay, I'm going to draw this resistance for now. Okay, I am hesitating. This is the resistance that touches the most candles right here. You see how it touches perfectly November 15, 16, 17, November 29, 30th. So this is pretty much right smack on it, except for that candle on November 9th. So far, I'm going to leave it as that. But this is a resistance that might not be holding on very much. And I'm going to do this double resistance right here. So this is just to see what is happening so that we have a resistance to keep comparing the stock to. So let's see if we are able to hold at 1822. If we are holding 1822, are we able to go back to 2010? And if we reach 2010, are we able to break 2010 with some indication from our indicators with over 60 and RSI over 50? Then that would tell us that things might be going back to the downward resistance that we have right here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. But I wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.